Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my version of a pulled pork barbecue sandwich. So of course you see, without using pork, I'm going to be using some chicken thighs. So it's definitely a play on barbecue pulled pork if you do not eat pork. So this is very delicious, you guys. My family loves when I make this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. So you guys, right here I'm adding my seasonings. I just put in some salt. Right now I'm putting in some garlic powder. And next is onion powder. And then I'm going to top it off with some black pepper, you guys. And this is going to go on low heat for 5 hours. But you'll see in the video, I'm not going to let it cook on low for the full 5 hours. I think halfway I'm gonna move it up to high setting, but this is how it's set for now. But yeah, you guys, this is a very easy dish, very simple, and it's so delicious, you guys. And like I say, you do not have to use any chicken broth because you're going to be making your own. I was just being extra. So as you can see, you guys, this is not actually the Tilex Clorox. I'm just using this bottle but it's basically Clorox bleach and water that I have in this bottle, and I'm just sterilizing this sink because I was dealing with the raw chicken, and you guys, I do not play when it comes to raw chicken, you guys. So that's what I'm doing right here. So you guys, this is what it looks like after I let it cook for the remaining 2.5 hours. I basically took 2 forks and just shredded the chicken, and this is what you're seeing right now. You guys, this is a great base if you want to make like some chicken noodle soup, but we're going to not do that this time. But this is what it looks like. So right now I am draining that chicken broth, and you guys, that is some good homemade chicken broth right there. And y'all, I'm making a little mess, but it's all good. So you pretty much want to drain the majority of that chicken broth. See, that's how much I got. That's about 4 cups right there of chicken broth. And I leave just a little bit of chicken broth at the bottom. So right here, this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm telling y'all, man, my mouth is watering just looking at it right now. And you can see at the bottom, I just left a little bit. I would say maybe a half a cup of juice. So I'm just going to season it a little bit more. I'm adding some onion powder right now to the meat. And I'm going to add a little bit more of garlic powder right here. And right here is some salt, black pepper. And y'all gonna see my favorite ingredient coming up. Bam, that kicking chicken. Y'all, if y'all ain't never tried this kicking chicken, you don't know what you're missing. It just does something special to this dish right here. So I apologize, you guys, but what I did forget to show y'all, for some reason, I know I recorded it, but I lost the footage. I don't know how that happened, but it didn't show me using the barbecue sauce. So I'm going to insert a picture of the barbecue sauce that I did use right here. But you guys, when I tell y'all this is delicious, OMG, it is so flavorful, y'all. So flavorful. So you guys, if you try this recipe, you have to get these sweet Hawaiian buns. I'm telling you, trust me. So this is the Earth Balance butter. You don't have to get this butter if you don't want to. But what I'm about to do, you guys, is I'm about to slap some butter on these buns, and we about to grill, like toast them in my cast iron skillet. I'm telling you, y'all have to understand what I'm saying here. If you want the full effect of what we experience, you have to do it exactly the way I'm telling y'all, because it's something about this toasted sweet Hawaiian bun topped with this pulled barbecue chicken meat. Oh my gosh, like, do y'all guys see what I'm seeing? Look at the buns here. When you bite into it, look at that, y'all. Like that crisp on the edge, I'm telling you, when you take your first bite, it's gonna do something to your taste buds. Y'all think I'm playing, but I am so serious. You got to try this exactly the way. Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. See, this is what I'm saying. You gotta try this. Now, some people like to fix their pulled barbecue sandwiches a certain way. Some people top it with onions. Some people top it with coleslaw. Whatever you do, that's how you fix your sandwich, you know, because this is a play on pulled barbecue pork sandwiches. But we're not doing pork, we're doing chicken. But I'm telling y'all, even if you just eat it just like this, it is gonna be so good. So y'all made some fries to go with it. It's the what kind of fries? These were the checker fries. So I encourage you guys to try this. Please let me know in the comments below when you made this, because I want to get your honest feedback. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.